Tried sending a message to someone on Facebook Messenger and the message didn't get through? Well, it can be that the concerned person must have deleted their account, or did they just block you? And how can you be sure about either of the situations? Well, keep watching as we tell you how to know if someone has blocked you on Facebook Messenger. But before we go ahead, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. Let's get started. Open Facebook Messenger on your phone and search for the chat with the person who you suspect has blocked you. Now open the chat with that person and send a message. Now this is how the tick will look like if the person has received your message. This means the message has been successfully sent to the person. It's just that they need to check it when they come online. And once they have read the message, their profile badge will appear right next to the message. But just in case if the tick looks like this, then there can be two situations. Either that person is not connected to the internet or you are blocked. Additionally, if you send that person a text and as soon as you hit send you get a pop-up, message not sent, this person isn't receiving messages at this time, then this likely means that you are totally blocked on Facebook and not just from Facebook Messenger. It can also be that the person must have deactivated their account, and to find that out you need to check for their Facebook profile from a different account, and if you are able to find them, then this means that your account has been blocked by them. But if you aren't able to find them, then think they've just deactivated their account itself. You can also repeat the same process on a computer to find out if you have been blocked by someone on Facebook Messenger. For that you need to go to www.messenger.com and log in with your credentials. After that the process remains the same as it is on your smartphone. And that's all for this video. We hope you find it helpful, and if you did then please hit the like button and share with your friends. And like always, for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.